In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to link pages in Figma. By the end, you'll know how to create a simple text hyperlink that jumps from one page in your file to another, making navigation smooth for teammates and stakeholders. First, open Figma and the file you want to work in. You'll see the Pages panel in the top left of the editor. If you're starting fresh, this is where you'll set things up. Create your first page. This will be the page that contains the text you'll turn into a link. It helps to give it a clear name so you can recognize it at a glance later. Next, create your second page. This is the destination page that you want people to land on when they click the link. Again, a descriptive name like details or specs will save you time as your file grows. With both pages ready, you now have a source page and a target page to connect. Now move to the destination page in the Pages panel, right-click it, and choose Copy Link to Page. This grabs a unique link that points directly to that page inside your Figma file. The link is now in your clipboard, ready to be used. Head back to your first page and select the text on your canvas that you want to make clickable. With that text layer selected, look to the right-hand sidebar in the text section. You'll see a small chain icon for adding a link. Click the chain icon and paste the link you just copied. Press Enter to confirm. You've now turned that text into a hyperlink that navigates to your second page. To test it, click the linked text. Figma will open the destination page you linked to, keeping you in the same file while switching pages. This makes it much easier to guide collaborators around your file without sending them hunting through the Pages panel. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you're selecting the actual text layer before clicking the chain icon, not a frame around it. If you don't see the link option, double check that you're in the Design tab on the right sidebar and that you have edit access to the file. Also, consider consistent naming and a simple label for your link text, like go to page 2, so others immediately understand where the link leads. And that's it. You've linked one page to another using a clean, clickable text link. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.